Welcome back for part 3. Getting tired of this problem, are you? Well, part 3, what happens if he accelerates for 1 mile? 1,600 meters. You should go around life knowing how many meters there are in a mile. You should know that. Somebody walks up to you on the street, says, hey, how many meters are there in a mile? And you should say, hey, there's 1,600 meters in a mile. Right there. So he's going to accelerate 3.3 meters per second. I want to know what his final velocity is. So that's the equation right there. Why that equation? Well, remember, on your sheet, it's the function v of d. V in terms of d. Easy? Okay. Let's do some calculations. Now, I'm going to erase this. We don't need this anymore. Okay? And I'm going to say this, Dr. Herzog used to do this at my college. Ready for this? This is really cool. Cool? It becomes 0. So I get, you ready? I'll write the equation. You get V final, oops, terrible V, V final equals the square root of 2AD. Easy? Okay? Now, I'm going to calculate that. All right? I'm going to erase all this other stuff. Can I do that? Yeah, you got this, right? Right, I'm going to erase this. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to erase everything. All right, now, I want to calculate V final equals 2, 3.3, and 1,600. As long as I'm using meters, kilograms, seconds, I'm okay. As long as I don't have to do any conversions. Hey, leave the unit labels off, make it look neater, do your calculation, but make sure you analyze the dimensions and put on the dimensions that are required. All right? So, that's going to be, I did it over here, that's going to be 103 meters per second. It's really fast. Means nothing to you. Americans, means nothing to you. 103 meters per second in miles per hour is going to be 231 miles per hour. Very fast. I would not want to do that. Mile-long banister, avoid them. All right, now, that's it. Now, I'm going to do one more, part 4, and I'm going to simply show you another copy of the free body diagram. Hey, be careful out there. See you part 4.